Okay. Hey guys, I hope you can hear me okay. Today I am going to show you how to make a, what's it called? How to make okay, wait, let me check. How to make a circle, in Minecraft Education Edition. So if you're gonna make I'll show you. You can, I'm gonna show you, I'm just gonna show you how. You can get any block, really. I'm just going to use, red concrete, it's my favorite color. There's a bunch of different sizes to make a circle, but, here. So, you saw what I just did. So, you make this, sort of like an upside down L, and then you break the middle part. So, you do that, and keep doing it until, for quite a little bit. And then you can just start on the side, sort of, and yeah, basic circle. Wait, that might be a little bit too skinny. To make the right size, sometimes it's hard, but yeah, there's a pretty good circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks, up and down. So, yeah, you can make anything, really, if you do enough. It is possible to make, it is possible to make, a balloon thing in Minecraft. But that's not what this video is. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.